If you use Microsoft Word for documents, forms, macros, or advanced formatting, the Developer tab can be a huge time saver. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the Developer tab to the ribbon in Word in just a few clicks. This is a simple change, but it unlocks a lot of powerful tools that are hidden by default. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Word tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This will take you into the Backstage menu, where you can access Word's main settings. From here, scroll down and click Options. The Word Options window will open, and this is where you can customize the way Word looks and works. On the left side of the Word Options window, click Customize Ribbon. This section controls which tabs appear across the top ribbon in Word. On the right side, you'll see a list of main tabs. These are the tabs that normally show up in Word, like Home, Insert, Draw, and more. Now look through that list until you find Developer. Once you see Developer, check the box next to it. This tells Word that you want the Developer tab to appear on your ribbon. After that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Word will apply the update immediately, and when you return to your document, you should now see the Developer tab displayed across the top ribbon. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just double-check that you clicked OK and not Cancel. You can also reopen File, go back into Options, and confirm that the Developer box is still checked under Main tabs. In most cases, that's all it takes. Now that the Developer tab is visible, you can access tools like Content Controls, Macros, Visual Basic, Add-ins, and Form Controls, depending on what you need. That's why this feature is so useful for power users, students, office workers, and anyone building more advanced Word documents. And that's it. You've successfully added the Developer tab to the ribbon in Word. It only takes a moment, but it gives you access to some very useful advanced features. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.